This 2022 Heartland Bighorn BH 3120RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 37 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 2, refrigerator, TV, carbon monoxide detector, oven, skylight, awning, leveling jacks, LP detector, water heater, slide out, and 80 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Heartland Bighorn BH 3120RK is 11,972 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.